Foxes are fascinating creatures that have captured the imaginations of humans for centuries. With their long, bushy tails and pointy ears, they are one of the most recognizable animals in the world. But there is much more to these creatures than meets the eye. Here are 20 fascinating facts about foxes that you may not know. If you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. 1. Foxes are more like cats than dogs. Despite being members of the Canidae family, foxes are more closely related to cats than dogs. They have a similar body structure, and like cats, they can retract their claws. 2. Foxes live in underground dens. Foxes are known for their ability to dig, and they use this skill to create underground dens where they sleep, raise their young, and hide from predators. These dens can be quite extensive, with multiple entrances and different chambers for different purposes. 3. Foxes are smelly. Foxes have scent glands located on their paws and around their anus, which they use to mark their territory and communicate with other foxes. This can make them quite smelly, particularly during mating season. Four. Foxes make 40 different sounds. Foxes are incredibly vocal animals, and they can make up to 40 different sounds. These include barks, screams, whines, and even a distinctive gecko call that they use to communicate with each other. 5. Foxes are great nighttime predators. Foxes are primarily nocturnal animals, and they are incredibly effective at hunting in the dark. They have excellent night vision and can detect the slightest movement of their prey. 6. Foxes can run up to 45 miles per hour. Despite their relatively small size, foxes are incredibly fast runners. They can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, which makes them one of the fastest animals in the world relative to their size. 7. Baby foxes are unable to see, walk, or thermoregulate. Newborn foxes, also known as kits, are born blind, deaf, and unable to walk. They are completely dependent on their mother for several weeks, during which time she must keep them warm and provide them with milk. 8. Foxes are solitary animals. While foxes are sometimes seen in pairs, they are generally considered to be solitary animals. They prefer to avoid humans whenever possible and will typically only interact with other foxes during mating season or when raising the young. 9. Foxes have excellent hearing and sense of smell. Foxes have incredibly sensitive ears and a keen sense of smell, which makes them excellent hunters. They can detect the slightest movement or scent of their prey, even from a great distance. 10. Foxes are monogamous and mate for life. Once they find a mate, foxes will typically stay together for life and raise their young together. They are very loyal animals and will defend their mate and their territory fiercely. 11. Foxes are incredibly adaptable creatures and found in a variety of habitats. Foxes are incredibly adaptable creatures and can be found in a wide variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, mountains, and even urban areas. They can survive in harsh environments such as the Arctic tundra, as well as more temperate climates. Foxes are important prey species for larger predators. Foxes are an important prey species for larger predators such as wolves and eagles. They help to maintain the balance of many food chains and are an essential part of many ecosystems. Foxes help control populations of small animals such as rodents. Foxes are excellent hunters and can control populations of small animals such as rodents. This can have a significant impact on the health of an ecosystem, as too many rodents can lead to disease and other problems. Foxes are opportunistic hunters and will eat a wide variety of foods. While they are primarily carnivorous, foxes are opportunistic hunters and will eat a wide variety of foods depending on what is available in their environment. This can include fruits, vegetables, and even insects. Foxes are social animals and live in large family groups. Foxes are very social animals and will often live in large family groups called leashes or skulks. These groups are typically made up of a male and female pair, as well as their offspring from previous years. Foxes are incredibly intelligent and can solve complex problems. Foxes are incredibly intelligent animals and can adapt to new environments and solving complex problems. They have been known to use tools such as sticks and rocks to help them hunt, and are able to navigate complex mazes with ease. Foxes have been the subject of many myths and legends throughout history. Foxes have been the subject of many myths and legends throughout history, particularly in cultures where they are seen as tricksters or symbols of cunning and intelligence. Foxes are incredibly important animals in many ecosystems. Foxes play an important role in many ecosystems, helping to control populations of small animals and serving as prey for larger predators. They are also important pollinators, as they help to spread the seeds of many plants. 19. Foxes are the most widespread species of wild dog in the world. Foxes are the most widespread species of wild dog in the world, with over 30 different species found throughout the world. 20. Foxes live just about everywhere. In the Arctic tundra, forests, grasslands, and even urban areas. They are truly one of the most resilient animals in the world.